Alright, so as you guys can see, finally got my PS5. And I didn't waste no time taking it out the box. That's the box over there with all the stuff. Cause I ain't waste no time. That box. Don't need that no more. Or it is. So I got my PS5. So, just like I opened the little brown box over there, I'm gonna open it with the same thing I opened that with. This knife. That was kind of almost assassin-like, I ain't even gonna lie. Okay. Go ahead and sit on the floor. Go ahead and unbox this. Oh, my lasagna. Okay. Don't mind the other stuff in the background. It's none of y'all business. Alright. Get this out of here. Ooh, this box is nice. It's real frail though. I might keep it. Look nice though. Let's see what it says. Play like never before. Lightning speed. Let's say. Harness the power of a custom CPU and SSD with integrated I/O that rewrites the rules of what a PlayStation console can do. Haha, already better than Xbox. Breathtaking immersion. I ain't reading all that. And stunning games. Basically, we get Spider-Man and y'all don't, Xbox users. Ha! In your face! Alright, so we don't need that box anymore. Alright. Third box. Got the little PlayStation thing on here. Now, how do I open this? Oh. Oh. Is it a fourth box? Hey man, I'm tired of going through these boxes getting my PS5 out of here, bro. Start ripping stuff up. Y'all seen what I did to the brown box. Alright. Cutting me and everything. I should want some jogging pants. Alright. See if I can get it out. I'll hold that right there. Ooh. I don't know what that is. Probably gonna slam that. And alright, you don't know what's in that box either. I'm gonna go ahead and toss that to the side. Get these things off of here. This mug is huge. I'm gonna cut myself, got my legs ashy. Look, I'm at home. So I ain't gotta put no lotion on after I get out the shower. My wife loved me anyway. So y'all don't pay attention to my ashiness. Anywho. Alright. Yo, this thing is huge, bro. Why is it so big? I was talking about Xbox and how they look like a dang mini refrigerator. This way bigger than my my dang modem over there. But I ain't complaining. I just gotta figure out where I'm gonna put that at. I'm gonna have to move my sound bar down, because they say it's better if you leave it. It says better if you stand it up, you get more ventilation and stuff, so your stuff won't be overheating. So I ain't really got no space. I'm glad I ain't got no discs right now. Might just put it in the back of the TV, move the TV over a little bit. I don't know though. We'll see. We'll see when we get to that. Alright, let's see what is in this box. More boxes. Alright, got the little PlayStation 5 manual. Black people don't read. Don't need that one, because I definitely don't speak Spanish. Ooh, compartment? What is this? Oh, that's the HDMI. See what's in this thing. I'm trying to open stuff and do. I wish I had my wife here or somebody here to record while I was opening this stuff up. Trying to do this with one hand is kind of difficult. All right, I don't know what that is, so we're gonna just, you know, toss that over there. All right, power cord, and doing it with one hand, not easy. Jordans, no, yeah. All right, so here's a controller. It looks similar. Kind of remind me of an Xbox controller. I ain't even gonna lie, like a thin Xbox controller, but you know, overall it's pretty decent. We don't really know until we plug this mug up and then you know, see what's shaking graphically and stuff. I got 2K already, so I guess I gotta wait till that download. However long that's gonna take. But I'm hardwired, so no Wi-Fi over here. Shouldn't take that long. Alright, here go to the console again. This mug is huge. Gotta figure out where I'm gonna put it at. There go all the stupid boxes that I don't need anymore. I'm gonna throw them in a regular garbage can. My wife says I need to recycle them, but recycle. Anywho, system, controller. What's in here? Something else? Something else in here? Ooh. Oh. Nothing but a USB, regular USB to charge the controllers and stuff. I don't need no charging dock because I only need one controller because I have no friends. I'm just kidding. I have friends. But I just only need one controller because them niggas ain't using my controllers. And they ain't come over here to play my game. It's a pandemic out here, people. Alright, anyway. System one more time. Controller. All that other stuff. Boxes. Alright. So I think that's it. So the next video I do is probably going to be either some gameplay or how the UI and stuff looks. And if you don't know what UI means, I just learned that a few days ago. It means user interface, which means the main menu on your game. You're welcome.